Hello, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then click on Edit button next to the delete one and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my login and password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!